Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change an air filter on a Cadillac XTS. First, gather your tools, which typically include a screwdriver and the correct replacement air filter. Always make sure your engine is completely off and cool to the touch before you begin. Next, you'll need to locate the air filter housing, usually found under the hood of your Cadillac XTS. This simple preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Now, let's access the filter. You'll need to unclip or unscrew the fasteners that hold the air filter housing cover in place. There are usually several clips or a few screws to remove. Once these are loose, carefully lift the cover to reveal the old, dirty air filter inside. Take a moment to observe how the old filter is seated. This will help you correctly position the new one. With the old filter exposed, gently lift it out and set it aside for proper disposal. Before installing the new filter, take a moment to wipe away any leaves, dust, or debris from inside the air filter housing. This ensures a clean seal. Now, carefully place the new air filter into the housing, making sure it sits flush and matches the orientation you noted earlier. Finally, replace the air filter housing cover, ensuring all clips or screws are securely fastened. Double-check that the cover is sealed tightly to prevent any air leaks. Then, start your Cadillac XTS engine for a moment to confirm everything sounds normal. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. A fresh air filter helps your engine breathe better, improving performance and fuel efficiency.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.